Okay, this is going to be a short. I've only dug this out. I've already showed this one before. Dentron MLA-2500B uses two 8874 tubes. I've already went through it before, done a video on it. I'm only doing this video because I'm taking it to Dayton Hamvention, one of the boxes I'm taking. This one has been 10 meterized. The single band, mono band, it only has 10 meters on it. It will work on 10 and 12 meters. Also, it is tunable to 15 meters also. So single banded amplifier, 10 meters only. Original 8874 tubes. The tubes are about 75% 10 meter, again, only recapped, redone. And again, we just doing this video because we think we're going to take this to the Dayton Hamvention coming up, just showing its operation. It's been running, it's on, so we're just going to key it down. We're on 10 meters with the ICOM 7300, set at about 50% output on it, so about 50 watts out, you know, from the ICOM. Our input watts are on that meter there. Our output watts are on that meter there. So I'm showing the in and the out watts at the same time. And also we are going into a big giant dummy load. We got about a 4 or 5K dummy load up top. So that's what they're going into, you know, 1.1 SWR on the dummy load. And that's about it. So we got the radio keying up to amp. So all we need to do is key down the radio and start talking. So that's what we're gonna do. We're on the high side, and again, only about 50 watts going into it. Shh. Audio, audio. And over here on the watt meters, audio, audio, audio. It's only talking about 30 watts going into it on the input side. And talking about 30 watts going in, we're talking to about 300. We're audio. Hey, my phone's ringing, of course. Audio, audio. And last, we're gonna do a whistle. Whistling to a little bit over 500. But again, 50 watts going in. On a whistle, 500 watts out. That's all RMS. And last, we're gonna do the peak watts. Audio, audio, audio. Shh. Talking about 600 peak. Shh. Shh. Again, you know, whistling about 600 too. Again, with about 30, 40, 50 going in. We're going to just go show the peak watts going in right quick. Peak in and peak out. Audio, audio, audio. So 50 watts in, peak, audio. About 600 peak watts out. Audio. Okay. Dentron MLA-2500 doing what she's supposed to do. Not full output, but working. All right. That's it for this one. Bye.